The place to start if you're looking for information about our certificate programs is the web page for the particular certificate program that you're interested in. Here we're looking at the data science certificate program, the analytics for data science. And you'll see on this page there's a list of all the required courses, there's 8 of them, and all the elective courses, you need to take 3 of those, and short descriptions, tuitions, and available dates. We have a couple of tools that will help you do your planning. One is a course list, which is really just a very short list of just the course titles, where you can check the electives that you're interested in and display only those electives. So you would do that by, well, let's say we're interested in logistic, natural language processing, and survival analysis. And we will click on this to display only the checked courses. And if you want to reset and go back to everything, you can display all courses. Once you decide on a program, this is probably something you should print out and keep in your files. We'll close this. The other tool is a sequencing tool that displays the courses in the order in which you might want to take them. And let's put in a date when you might want to start. Let's just say March 1st, 2015, and it'll show you what's coming up then. There's a certain order in which courses should be taken, but that simply means that some courses should be taken before others, but it leaves you considerable flexibility in both which courses you start with and the order in which you take courses. So what we're showing here is an optimal sequence, one that allows you to get things completed fairly quickly, but you can alter that yourself, either in a custom alteration by just taking another course, or by clicking on, say, on defer. Let's suppose you don't want to take the logistic regression course. That's an elective as indicated by the blue here, and you've decided, well, that's not going to be one of my 3 electives, so I'm not going to take that. You click on this defer button, and that takes logistic regression out of the mix and moves up survival analysis and these other courses. And let's say you also, spatial is not something you're going to take, so you defer that, and you end up with, you've already decided now that survival, cluster, and natural language processing are the courses that you're going to take, the electives that you're going to take, and they'll be the ones that show up in this sequencing tool. So the first course you would end up taking is forecasting, and then you would go through the 3 predictive analytics courses and scroll over here, survival, data visualization, optimization, social network analysis, risk, and then cluster. And natural language processing occurs right after that. So, having completed your 3 electives and your required courses, which are in purple, you're up to July 2016. And you can arrange your custom schedule by deferring the electives that you don't want to take right away. You can also defer required courses, and the ordering will still come out in a fashion that makes sense for taking the course. Let's suppose you don't want to take forecasting right away, you want to take it later. It'll reorder the sequence of courses with that postponed. Also, if there's a particular time when you're not available, just click on those X's, and that period will be blocked out and no course will be scheduled that takes place then, and your schedule will be rearranged reflecting those dates of unavailability. Want to start over again? Just click on Reset.